I'm going to show you how you can make $55 again and again, ChatGPT or AI to do the answers. I'm going to show you how to do this and build $400 a day, and it's only going to take a matter of minutes. Step one, you want to go to Upwork.com. You're going to click on to find work. Then you want to go to writing and translation. Look at how many jobs there are. Here I found one with 500 words who's going to pay you $55. And you could use ChatGPT or AI as long as it makes sense. Then you need to go to chat.openai.com, and then you need to log into ChatGPT. Then get ChatGPT to write your 500 word article. As you can see, ChatGPT is going to start getting to work and create an article for you. When the article is finished, you just need to submit it, and as you can see, there's over 7,000 jobs, and then you could just rinse and repeat. So if you look at this, $55 per article, one article an hour, 8 hours, you could do 8 articles, 8 times 55, $440 for using ChatGPT. Please make sure to follow and also click the link in the description if you want to learn and master affiliate marketing for less than a cup of coffee.